Charging AGM batteries safely.
Hey there! Welcome to this video on charging AGM batteries safely. AGM batteries, or absorbent glass mat batteries, are commonly used in a variety of applications, from vehicles to renewable energy systems. It's important to take some safety precautions when charging these batteries to ensure their longevity and your safety. So, let's dive in.
Why is it important to charge AGM batteries safely?
AGM batteries are sealed, maintenance-free batteries that have some unique characteristics. While they offer several advantages over traditional flooded batteries, they also require specific care during the charging process. Charging AGM batteries safely helps prevent damage to the battery and reduces the risk of accidents or hazards. Following the right procedures can also extend the battery's lifespan and optimize its performance.
Use a voltage regulator.
One important safety precaution when charging AGM batteries is to use a voltage regulator. AGM batteries are sensitive to overcharging, which can lead to decreased battery life or even cause the battery to fail. A voltage regulator helps maintain a consistent charging voltage, preventing excessive charging that could damage the battery.
Monitoring temperature.
Another crucial safety measure when charging AGM batteries is to monitor the temperature. AGM batteries can generate heat during the charging process, especially if charged at a high rate or under high ambient temperatures. Excessive heat can shorten the battery's lifespan and increase the risk of accidents. It's recommended to charge AGM batteries in a well-ventilated area and monitor the battery's temperature regularly. If the battery becomes unusually hot, it's essential to reduce the charging rate or temporarily stop charging to prevent any damage.
Additional safety precautions.
In addition to using a voltage regulator and monitoring the temperature, there are a few more safety precautions you should consider when charging AGM batteries. 1. Read the manufacturer's instructions. Always refer to the battery manufacturer's guidelines for charging procedures and safety precautions specific to your battery model. 2. Protective equipment. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, when handling AGM batteries or working near them. 3. Avoid sparks and flames. AGM batteries emit hydrogen gas during charging, which is highly flammable. Keep open flames, sparks, and smoking materials away from the charging area. 4. Proper connections. Ensure the charger is properly connected to the battery terminals, following the correct polarity, positive to positive, negative to negative. Loose or incorrect connections can lead to overheating or damage. 5. Charging in a suitable environment. Charge AGM batteries in a dry, well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Remember, these are general safety precautions, and it's important to consult the specific instructions provided by the battery manufacturer for precise charging guidelines. That wraps up our video on charging AGM batteries safely. By following these safety precautions, such as using a voltage regulator, monitoring the temperature, and considering additional safety measures, you can ensure a safe and efficient charging process for your AGM batteries. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.